Yeah, children, today we will discuss how rainbows occur. Children, today we will discuss how rainbow occur. The children see here, after the rainfall, normally after the rain shower, after the rainfall, after the rainfall, atmosphere consists of so many water droplets. After the rainfall, atmosphere consists of so many water droplets. Okay, each water droplet acts as a prism. Each water droplet acts as a prism. Try to understand. Each water droplet acts as a prism. And rain is once it stopped raining, children, sun will rise because clouds will go away and sun will rise. Not in the nights, I'm saying in the mornings only or in the afternoon. Okay, once clouds go away, sun will come. Now sunlight will pass through these particles. Sunlight will pass through these particles. Okay, and each particle is acting as a prism. Each particle is acting as a prism. So sunlight splits into seven colors. Sunlight splits into seven colors, and these seven colors you will see in the form of rainbow. I hope you all understood, children. So once again, I'm saying, children, see here, after rainfall, after rainfall, atmosphere is filled with raindrops. Atmosphere is filled with water drops or raindrops. Each water drop acts as a prism. Each water drop acts as a prism. Okay. Now, because clouds move away, sunlight will come. So when sunlight pass through this water drops, when sunlight pass through these water drops, they undergo dispersion. They undergo dispersion. So on dispersion, so light splits into seven colors, and that seven colors we see in the form of a rainbow. Okay, children. So what are the things happening when it is passing through the water droplet? I will explain now, children. So when light is passing through, what this light is passing, children, see here. When light is passing through, when light is passing through water drop, trying to understand first. When light is passing through water drop, okay. So three things will happen, children. One is dispersion. What is dispersion? I'll tell you. Number two, refraction. What is refraction? Already we discussed in light lesson. Again, I will tell you. And total internal reflection. Total internal reflection. These 3 points I will discuss. Children, what is dispersion? Means simple, children, splitting of white light into seven different colors on passing through prism. Whenever you pass white light through prism, it splits into seven different colors. Whenever you pass white light, children, whenever you pass white light through prism, it splits into seven different colors. Splitting of white light into seven different colors is called prism. Splitting of white light into seven colors when passed through prism is called dispersion. Last time I'm saying, splitting of white light into seven colors when passed through prism is called dispersion, children. Okay, so apart from this, now light will also, after dispersion, light will also undergo refraction. It's bending. Bending of the light is called refraction. You know, bending of the light is called refraction when it passes from one medium to another medium. What is dispersion? Splitting of white light into seven different colors. What is refraction? Bending of light. And what is total internal reflection? Means the light undergoes total internal reflection and comes out. Children, total internal reflection is a very, very big topic. In short, I will explain. If you understand, okay. If not, just write total internal reflection. In short, I will try to explain. See, please, children, here all of you. What is total internal reflection? Try to understand. Children, imagine this is denser medium. This is denser medium. This is rarer medium. Okay, light goes like this. Denser to rarer, it moves away from the normal. If I still increase, it will move still away. If I still increase, it will go through the medium. That is called critical angle. This is called critical angle. If light goes at an angle more than critical angle, total internal reflection will occur. What is total internal reflection? Means if angle of incidence is more than critical angle. If angle of incidence is more than critical angle. If angle of incidence is more than critical angle, refracted ray comes back into the same medium. Refracted ray comes back into the same medium. That is called total internal reflection. So, children, rainbow occurs because of three important phenomena. What is that? Number one is dispersion. What is number two, children? Refraction. Refraction. And what is number three, children? Total internal reflection. Can anyone say what is dispersion, children?
Dispersion is the splitting of light to into its respective colors.
Splitting of white light into seven colors when passed through prism. Splitting of white light into seven colors when passed through prism. And what is refraction? Bending of light when it passes from one medium to another. Bending of light when it passes from one medium to another. What is total internal reflection? When incident ray is more than critical angle, refracted ray comes back into the same medium. When incident ray is more than critical angle, refracted ray comes back into the same medium. When an incident ray is more than critical angle, refracted ray comes back into the same medium. That is called total internal reflection. On total internal reflection and critical angle, I'll make separate video so that you can check it later, children. So this is how rainbow occurs. So after the rainfall, atmosphere is filled with raindrops. Every raindrop acts as a every water drop acts as a prism, and when sunlight passes through these water drops, it splits into seven different colors and appears as a rainbow. Okay, children, very important question. And if ever any question has any diagram in the textbook, don't forget, please compulsory draw the figure. Whether they ask or not, simple figure is must. Without figure, you don't expect any marks from me at least. And write all the points, answer in the points only. Figure is must. If figure is there in textbook, means compulsory you should draw. If it is not there, also try to draw your own imaginary diagram. Because if you show with diagram, it makes us understand that you understood the subject clearly. Okay, children. So this is about the rainbow, children. Okay. Anyone have any doubts? You can ask.